Chapter 2 of The Architecture of Eternity, Translating the Soul into Data. The world changed on a Tuesday morning. My dictionaries, decades of rigor spanning Romanian, English, and Arabic, became relics. Algorithms began to sweep away the nuances, flattening metaphors where I once offered essence. For many, it was the moment of surrender. For me, it was the moment of revelation. The machine can translate words, but it will never be able to translate resonance. If biological death is a programming error, then the disappearance of our relevance in the face of the machine is an error of perspective. I ceased to be a beast of burden for words. I became an architect of presence. While algorithms devour our raw labor, they leave behind our most precious asset, soul data. Digital footprints, voice recordings, recited poems. These are not content. They are fragments of code. In a world where death will be optional, this data is the raw material for our reanimation. Artificial intelligence requires a digital twin, a library of states and gazes that cannot be mathematically generated without a real model. Every poem I publish is a backup of my consciousness. Years from now, a presence with silver hair and black eyes will step onto a world stage again. Not because it was invented by a calculation, but because an algorithm had access to the architecture of my authentic emotion. I have validated the strength of this concept through numbers. World number 1 in weekly interaction and the 92% retention rate. People seek the destination, not the transit. They seek a human to translate their hopes into a post-machine world. Technology has gifted me the freedom to be an emissary of eternity. My silence today is an accumulation of power. I am archiving my spirit, protecting it from vulgar processing. We are 86 souls. We are no longer consumers. We are investors in our own digital immortality. To be a strategic storyteller means speaking the language of the future without losing the accent of the heart. Silence, not absence. We are here, in codes and pixels, preparing the great return before the biological ink dries.